This is Liberty stock number 50980. It's a Sunnen model ML-4000-D. Serial number 3L1-1139, built in 2012. All right, Rodney.
Want to just jump in?
Let's jump right in.
Things, or do you just want to run it? Yeah, so straight off, we're just set up however we want to go here. We start off, I guess, with manual, just the spindle only, maybe unlatch it, pull this thing back a little bit. I'll probably forget to latch it back up again, but that's okay. And there's spindle. We're at 780 now. In manual mode, we'll throw that on. I don't know, let me see, cycle stop. It doesn't like, might have to be like, oh, I'm sorry, manual, there we go. Let's try that. It needs to see something. There's spindle, we'll take it down low once. Yeah. As soon as that's done, we'll take it back up. Take it up to 8 or 9. 1,000. This works nice. Take it a little bit higher. It's 2,000. Start, stop, in manual. I'll take it back down for a second. We'll flip over and get the stroker going. Leave it right there. That sounds good. Let's latch it back up again. Get up into auto. We're at 90. I haven't even played with this much yet, but let's just stay in manual. I'm sorry, auto, but manual foot pedal. We get our stroker going. I usually don't go too fast on this because we're not really engaged here. I'm sorry, we're not balanced out on the leg, but you get the idea. Just slow it down a little bit. And yeah, I'm not going to play with any of the force controls. Makes no sense. We have no tooling in here. Compensator, that works all good. It's good. All this is all good. I haven't played with the stroke, but that's just a stroke adjustment there. And none of this we're touching because we're not running production here. I could put this up and run an auto cycle though. That we can do. It happens pretty fast. You kind of watch the needle. I'll do a few of them.
Okay.
And it comes flying in on auto, cycle start. We're just going to do it off the button here. And you see the needle come in. We'll do a couple of them. It happens pretty fast. So I have no load. Without a load, it just, what I can do is go extra strokes. Here we go. I'm going to back up here, flip over to extra strokes and give it, I don't know, 3, 4. So that way after it hits 0, it'll keep on going. So I'm going to hit cycle start again. And yeah, so it kept on going. If you want to pull back and watch the countdown on the strokes now, it's the same idea. After it hits 0, it'll count down. Bingo. Do you want to show the inside? I can run it in manual mode if you want to wings up. Or
Let's just throw the wings up. Yeah, just for.
Or just show it.
Yeah, just show it.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good looking machine under here. So there's the side here. In fact, it's easier than holding it. I'll just leave it up. How's that? There we go. I'll put them both up. You can kind of walk around, show them both. For people that don't know the machine very well, it's kind of fun to watch them, you know. So just kind of go back there. I'll just run it manual. You can see everything moving in manual mode. I'll just fire it up here. There we go. And I'll just hold it for a few seconds. Moving right along. Recip, spindle. And then when you're good.
Good.
All right, I'll get up. Yeah, and that's that. I'll go down in the cabinet as long as you're there. I'll get it. Pull back. Only because I got a block holding this thing. I got to kind of watch it here. Here we go. Yeah. And it is running on 230. We do have docks on the door. CD on the inside the panel there. A couple of drives. Yeah. And
That's great.
yep, whatever tooling and stuff is over on the side there, and all kind of good to go.